they like me? I wanna show you out. I wanna show you.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Kasandramarie. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. In today's video, it is my intro video to 100 days of content. I'm doing 100 days of content here on YouTube and also 100 days on TikTok. Those are the two platforms that I decided to focus on. The other ones I really don't care about as much. I might recycle some of my content. I might not, but I'm not really fucking pressuring myself. So I don't really care about Instagram or Facebook or any of the other platforms. Really, I'm just focusing on YouTube and TikTok. So what you can expect in the next 100 days. So I'm going to be niching down my content after the 100 days. I'm going to be doing beauty, lifestyle, and fashion content. I'm going to sprinkle in a little bit of my favorite things, such as reaction videos, Chris Brown related videos, mukbangs, maybe like some hauls, and maybe a little bit of like lash related videos, but mainly I just want to stick to like beauty content, lifestyle vlogs, daily vlogs, weekly resets or like Sunday resets, and just fashion related stuff or shopping related stuff. That's more of like shit that I like to watch, so that's what I want to push out. So what I need from you guys is to subscribe to my channel, one, and then just hit the bell down below so you can be notified every time I post, because I'll be posting daily. Now for the time frame, it may be a different time every day. I didn't really like plan what time I want to post. I kind of want to get consistent after the 100 days by like making up a schedule. Like maybe I'll post every Tuesday, Thursday at 7 o'clock, and then you guys will know exactly when I'm posting. But for the 100 days, it's kind of like an experiment just to see how much content I can push out, how consistent I can be. And I really do want to hit certain numbers before the end of the year. So I have some goals that I want to make before the end of the year, and all my other goals have been going really fucking good. So I'm like excited to share that shit with you guys, because it's really nice to just mark off your goals off of your list, or like take the pieces off of your vision board that you accomplish. Like it's such a good fucking feeling. So for the next 100 days I will be posting. So yeah, just stay tuned and follow me on my journey, because I was really consistent before COVID, and then COVID happened and like I got super fucking depressed. I was in a toxic ass relationship, and now I'm just back. I'm like, why? I love YouTube and I love creating content and I love doing like beauty related shit, and like my everyday life I just do beauty related shit. So it's like, why not just record it? Why not share it with everybody? Why not help give people tips and tricks that they can use in their everyday life? You know what I mean? Like I learned every fucking thing from YouTube, like down to my business. Like I would sit there for hours and I would watch videos, you know what I mean? And then before, when I was just doing makeup, I would watch videos for hours. Like when I worked at Mac, I watched a video on how to fucking get hired at Mac, and that's what I did. Like everything is just such a resourceful tool to find anything that you need to know. Like the possibilities on YouTube are limitless. So with that being said, I will be posting 100 days on YouTube and TikTok. Go follow me over on TikTok as well. My name is the same on all platforms, on Instagram, on YouTube, and on TikTok. It is _Kasandramarie_ on every platform. Follow me on my journey. Secondly, I would like to say I've been doing a lot of like self-reflection, and I thought about it, like, why don't I post? Why am I not posting? And like, as a child, I grew up in a very fucking toxic environment, a very toxic household. And every time I was like my goofy self, or I would like sing or dance, or I would be creative, I got shut down by my caregivers every single time. They're like, shut up, sit down, be quiet, don't do this, don't do that. And so like after a while, I trained myself to not be that way. And that was a learned behavior that's not even me. That's a projection of somebody else. So like myself, I really want to be like goofy, and I want to sing, and I want to dance, and I want to create, and I want to do all this shit. And like I just dimmed my own light for the adults that were around me. And I trained myself to do that in every single fucking situation, whether it's work, whether it's, you know, social life, whether it's in a relationship. I always just watered myself down, and I'm just tired of fucking watering myself down. I'm tired of dimming my own light. I'm tired of other people trying to do that for me, and like I'm just ready to shine my fucking light. And I just give myself full permission to be seen, because the younger version of me would just fucking love that. Like my inner child would be so happy to be like, oh my god, you're making videos, like you're doing what we always wanted, you're doing what you always dreamed. And so, and if you don't know, I've been on video since I was a child, because my stepdad always used to record us. So I'm comfortable in front of the camera because I've been in front of the camera my whole life. So it just makes sense for this to be my career path. Like it just makes sense for my life. Like it's like I was being prepped for this my whole fucking life, to just be on camera. So yeah, here I am on fucking camera posting for you 100 days. So hope you don't get sick of this face, because you're gonna see a lot more of it. Okay, I don't think I have anything else to say except for I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.